Lavator scapula is one of the most treated muscles in my massage clinic. This muscle can cause you a headache when it's really tight. If you tend to shrug the shoulder when you feel stressed, you probably have a tight levator scapula. And this muscle is often tight when people complain about the discomfort or pain in the neck and shoulder or headaches. And when you get the hyper-irritable spot, aka trigger point, it can cause pain like this. So this muscle originates from the side of the neck spine and inserts to the inside corner of the shoulder blade. So when this contracts, it bends your head and also move the head backwards. So you look up the ceiling. So we use this muscle when we lift objects or cradling a phone on one shoulder or one-sided sports activities or saying, I don't know, like you shrug the shoulder. So please double check origin and insertion of this muscle and let's stretch it. This is how I do it. Bend your head to the one side and rotate your head down. And lift the arm on the other side up around like 30 degrees. Try not to shrug the shoulder. So this is just one way to do it, and as long as you move the side of the neck spine and the inside corner of the shoulder blade away from each other, you stretch this muscle properly. For example, rotate and bend the neck to the other side. So make sure you follow the back stretch steps, scan the whole body and feel what the targeted muscle feels like and another part of the body feels like. And stretch by contracting opposed muscle because you want to strengthen this muscle, right? And make sure you listen to your body carefully. And after you feel stretch or release, scan the whole body again. And don't forget to record what you find from the stretch on the body map. And for your convenience, I made a video that you can do back stretch with me. But please understand it only holds in a position for 90 seconds, which can't be the exact length your body wants. So please respect your body's request. If it wants to stop beforehand, then stop it. If it wants to keep going, keep going. So please respect its needs, not me. Alright, you are good to go. Happy releasing!